हेलो एभ्रिवान। त आज हामी आइपुगेको छु यहाँ 0 पोइन्टमा। अन्त 0 पोइन्टदेखिको हामी चढ्दैछु माथि लेप्चाखाको लागि। अन्त एज यु अल नो कि म त धेरै खेप लेप्चाखा आएको हो, बट स्टिल म फेरि किन आउँदैछु बिकज वी हेभ आवर टुरिस्ट फ्रेन्ड मिस्टर अन्तरिक्ष, tourist number 1, and the second tourist is Abheda over here, tourist from UP and tourist from Dalsingpara. Okay, so अब हामी चढ्दैछौँ माथि। तपाईहरू मेरो सानो सानो मोमेन्ट्सहरू हेर्नुहोस् होला। एभ्री बिटमा एभ्री चेन्जमा म तपाईँलाई घरिघरि हेर्नुहोस् भन्दिनँ। सो इन्जोय द ब्लग। से समथिङ। What kind of pose is that? My God.
Come on.
Whom are you going to send these videos?
Family and friends.
Who friends? Who friend?
No one special, but still.
Is that friend he or she? Abheda is lost somewhere.
He's in trance now.
He is lost.
Show that quotation. It's a nice quotation.
Oh. Trails aren't dumping grounds. They are breathing grounds. Nice.
I endorse this. We support this and be cool. Follow these rules.
Okay, as Antarik says, be cool, follow these rules. Nice.
Less knowledge is the best knowledge. Yes, that's really.
What's about Khali Dimag Shaitan ka ghar?
Oh, good confidence, dude. I am a mountain guy. मेरे को any time options मिले कि बीच में घूमना है, river side,
Oh.
mountain.
Beach person or mountain person?
Yes, I'm.
You are a mountain person.
Hardcore.
So Chogilama, are you a mountain person or a beach person?
I'm a mountain person, but
Abhed?
I have never been to beaches, so I would like to visit someday very soon.
Abheda?
I'm a plain person.
Huh?
I'm plain.
I'm a dual person.
I'm a well-rounded person. No, I adopt according to environment.
Okay.
Environment.
And guys, I am a normal person. I'm a normal person. Wherever you take me, free of cost, beach or mountain. If the company is good, it doesn't matter, guys.
Oh, nice.
Okay, once a wise man told me that destination doesn't matter when the company is great.
Yes.
And that person is this.
Yeah.
ठीक है, बढ़िया है। घर पे रहने से तो बहुत बढ़िया है कि भाई बाहर निकलो और बाहर भी वही काम करो जो घर पे कर रहे हैं, फोन चलाओ। लेकिन
यहाँ पे तो नेटवर्क ही नहीं है, फोन कैसे चलाएंगे?
हाँ, ये भी है।
तुमको बाहर लोगों के साथ जाने में क्या मजा आता है?
मुझे
क्या मिलता है?
देखो, कंपनी मिलता है।
सोशलाइज।
सोशलाइजिंग में ये सबसे बढ़िया फैक्टर है कि किसी से बात करो, तुम स्टेगनेंट नहीं होते, फिर आदमी फ्लो में चला जाता है।
What about bonding? जो बहुत
Bonding.
साल बाद में भी तुमको मेमोरी
हाँ,
स्ट्रांग हो जाता है ना।
यस।
कोई ग्रुप के साथ में चला जाओ और टाइम बीत जाता है, पर ग्रुप के साथ में अटैचमेंट रहता है वो मेमोरी के साथ में।
ये है, कहीं भी जाओ ना तो हमें किसी ट्रिप का या किसी जगह का वो मोमेंट्स याद रहेंगे जो साथ में स्पेंड किए थे।
हेलो। तू आया यहाँ तक?
हाँ, सपने में तो पीछे ही छूट गया था मैं। अभी तो नहीं आया।
I don't know why it's
अब
becoming
reality में पहुंच
so
जाएंगे।
tough. It's becoming too tough to walk. Yeah.
एल्टीट्यूड,
To
कॉशन,
step on
एल्टीट्यूड।
the cliff and cliffs, you know. Maybe I've lost my stamina. No?
यस, यस।
नहीं, तिमीलाई अब modern
All of a
जमानाको
sudden
यो
one day
के
you decide to go to
उसमा
a trek, then this
मतलब कम्फर्ट जोनमा
is bound to
अड्किसकेको
happen.
होला क्या
Oh,
त
I
अलिकति
think-
हिँड्दा स्कुटी हो, अलिकति हिँड्दा बाइक। अब यहाँ चाहिँ फुल अन फिजिकल छ नि त
थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐसा
म त सिक्किम रिटर्न्स मान्छे हो त म त कति पहाड हिँडेर स्कुल जान्थेँ जिम जान्थ्यो पहाड हिँड्दै यहाँ चाहिँ अलिक उयो छ मेबी बिकज अफ मोर ओभर लाइक 1 month नो आई हेभ बिन हियर एन्ड त्यो एक्टिभिटी भएको छैन बट स्टिल आई एम लभिङ इट
body loves inertia. It won't remember the
Why are you
inertia of
zooming into
motion
my face?
No, no.
because it's your vlog. People should know.
500 रुपये
छोगेल दादा
No, no, no.
हाँ छोगेल
हाँ
500 रुपये
डु नट लुक
Plus flowers.
₹500
समझ गया तो तोड़ना नहीं है
हाँ 500 वाले दुख वाले तोड़ लो.
they'll fight and they'll leave but they'll not give 500 लिख के ले लो
500.
guys everyone tell about how we managed to enter from that Baksa gate you know from there from that Raja Bhatkwa
So basically we all were ready to agree to that person whatever he has said that
Security
we
guard was not
need
allowing us.
we need to drop our vehicle over the
two
gate.
wheelers
Yeah, 2-wheelers were not allowed. We need to drop it over there and we need to like hire some auto and just move from there. We were ready to agree but the auto wala and even wherever we
Parking.
were parking our vehicle, they were asking a lot of money. The amount was too high as compared to our budget.
yeah
So the second half when I heard the money and even us when we heard the money we were like it isn't worth it. So we should actually little bit of we should try to convince
yeah
that uncle or sir the forest department guard and we tried our best. We said like हम लोग के पास पैसे नहीं है यहीं पे इतने खर्च करेंगे तो आगे जाके कैसे होगा आगे जाके भी बुकिंग करना है वगैरह वगैरह. So he then maybe he thought that yeah they are kids too so let them just
एक्चुअली अब यता मैले हामीले निकै ट्राई गरेँ त तर त्यो मान्छे मान्नु राजी नै थिएन अनि लास्टमा जब तिमी गयौ
yeah
तिमीले यस्तो के खेल खेल्यौ त्यहाँ
Because she had a logic, no?
I had some
Points.
when I went no I was like म त गाडी छोडाएरै छोड्छु अब
त्यो कन्भिक्सनले गएको थियो
या
तिमी
कन्भिक्सनले गएको थियो अन्त मेरो दिमागमा थियो कि आई प्ले अ इमोसनल कार्ड मनी नो बिकज
Yes.
I said कि there is already booked room where we have to give money from Santalabari also we have to
person-
give money
The
we will
person was
already
also
give.
charging too much for just
Yeah,
one
if
night.
we already give money over here, being the local people, then how come it won't be worth it for us, no sir? So then he agreed.
या
फर्स्ट टाइम अन्त हामी जब हामी गर्थ्यौँ नि फर्स्ट टाइम
अँ
त्यतिखेर इन्टेन्सिटी बहुत कम्ती थियो क्या ओ लेट्स सी होइन इफ इट वर्क्स अदरवाइज वी विल पे द मनी त्यहाँबाट
We'll
जब
keep
हामीलाई
there
थाहा
only.
भयो कि इट्स नट वर्थ इट त्यहाँबाट चाहिँ इन्टेन्सिटीसँग गयो होइन अन्त निश्चयको ठुलो हात छ यसमा
बहुत ठुलो
सी इज भेरी स्मार्ट वुमन हो
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Run away and embrace the day. The sun is out, won't go away. Feel the clouds on your shoulder. Touch the sky, feeling bolder. Going out, going all the way. Going out, yeah, yeah. Going out, going all the way. Going going all the way. Going out, going all the way. Going out, going all the way. Going
We reached over here, and I guess this place has changed quite a lot. Just see. Ooh. So, guys, are you all tired?
No.
Not at all.
How is the Josh guys?
I saw.
Me too.
Okay, so we reached, and sometimes I feel like roaming around with boys. I've also become like a boy only now. I don't know. I just feel. We are 4 people. We are planning to take one room where we can get at least 3 beds. Okay, but the best part is we haven't booked anything. So it's 31st and we all know that it's very difficult for us to find a room now. But still, let's go and hunt. Please pray for us, hope for the best. Huh?
Where do you want to ask?
Hello? Hello? Are she thought that I am someone else. She thought I'm her relative maybe. We stayed here. The first time when I came with my friends, we stayed here. 2 big beds, 1 room. But let's see if they...
Nishu, please ask.
Let's.
So guys, finally it seems like we'll get a room. It's like everything is packed over here. Everything, सब कुछ packed है. हम लोग ने बहुत कोशिश की कि main व्यू पॉइंट के सामने रूम लेने के लिए, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली एज यू ऑल नो हम लोग ने प्री बुकिंग नहीं की थी. सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न वी डिडंट गेट एनी अकोमोडेशन ओवर देयर, बट समवन हेल्प्ड अस टू मैनेज अ रूम समवेयर इन द कॉर्नर. But still, we are going to party over there only because we saw there is a lot of youngsters. Shall I count myself as a youngster?
Please comment down.
Please comment down, okay? So we will be heading towards that side for the partying thing, bonfire thing and all. But our accommodation is somewhere over here. Just have a look. All the tourists are watching me like as if I am the, you know, like Abla Nari, but they don't know who am I. I can just do their qatl. My God, it's too far away. We would have managed over there also, downstairs. This is too far. Cha.
Let's see a photo.
ए भगवान, त्यो टुप्पोको घरहरू कहाँ टाढो न टाढो. माई गॉड.
Obviously, bro.
Guys, this place is too isolated, no? इससे अच्छा तो कालचिनी चले जाते. इससे अच्छा तो रिटर्न चले जाते, अपने घर में रहते, बॉनफायर करते. क्या है इतना आइसोलेटेड जगह में. Which one is our room? Which one is supposed to be our room? This one? And this is the bathroom?
I don't know, maybe.
Please, bathroom should be at least. How many bed they have? Oh, 3. Then to very good.
Approved.
3 bed they have, as we all wanted.
कति भन्नु त?
This is how I look with my shot here and back camera.
म पहिला पनि आएको कि हामी